Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys. If you saw my post on Instagram, I treated myself to something recently, and as you can see, it's from Cartier. I actually last year, I think it was, at the beginning of the year when I posted my wish list, a Cartier item was on it, and I never actually ended up getting that item. So I went yesterday intending to get that item, checked off my wish list, but ended up with a different item. So anyway, I'll show you what I got and then kind of explain why I decided to get something different. This is not a true unboxing. I've actually put it back in the box because I was way too impatient yesterday and wanted to wear it, so I apologize for that, but I did put it back in for the sake of the video. So it came in this bag and came with the receipt and the authenticity certificate, and my SA was kind enough to give me a little bottle of the champagne, which was really nice. That to the side, and then the cleaning kit, which I need to use on my ring because it is really dirty, and the travel case pouch, and here is the outer box for the item. And here is the inner box. Whoops, it's already open there. Okay, to reveal, here is my Just Un Clou bracelet, and oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna explain why I chose this. So if you ever saw my wish list last year, I had actually put the love cuff on the wish list. So I love the look of the love bracelet, but the thing is, I'm not that used to wearing bangles. So I wear this bracelet on pretty much every day and don't take it off, but it's very light, and I'm just not used to kind of harder, heavier bracelets, and I'm not sure that I would like a bracelet that can't come off easily, which is why I had planned to get the cuff. But when I tried it on, I don't know, I tried it on, and then I tried on the full love bracelet, and I tried this on. And this one, because it's easy to remove, but it's still a full bracelet, I just felt like this would be a good first piece for me, because I know I eventually want to have both to stack. And this way I can see how I feel wearing, you know, a bangle like this. And that way, if I find it's not actually bothersome for me to have a bracelet like this on all the time, then I can get the full love bracelet, because I think I like it better than the cuff. I like the look of it better. So I thought this would be a good one to get first. So this one is really easy to take on and off. So you just press the button here and it opens like that. And yeah, so I just like the fact that it opens so easily. So I got it in the yellow gold because that matches my ring. And sorry, my ring is really, really dirty right now. But I just think this is such a beautiful bracelet. It was more expensive than the love bracelet, and obviously the love cuff, but I knew that, yeah, eventually I wanted one of each to stack. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get this one and wear it for a while and see how I like it. And then if I think that I'd be comfortable having the love bracelet that doesn't come off easily, then I'll do that. If not, I'll just get the cuff. But yeah, I love it. I was debating between two sizes. So the smaller size it didn't really have much movement on my wrist. This one had a lot more movement, so I decided to go with the larger size. I'm curious to know if you have Cartier bracelets, did you go with ones that were a little tighter, that doesn't have much movement, or did you go with the larger size that kind of moves around on your wrist? I felt like it would bother me that it was kind of sticking to places on my wrist rather than just moving freely. So I'll just put it on, if I can do that here on camera. See, it's really easy to take on and off. So you can see like this moves really freely on my wrist, which felt a lot more comfortable to me than the next size down. So this size, the size that I got was a 17, I believe. Yeah. And the 16 fit, but it was just, I don't know. I just felt like it wasn't as comfortable because it didn't move that freely. So yeah, I'm curious to know what most people get. Do most people get looser fitting bangles, or do they get tighter? I don't know. I wasn't sure because I don't really own any other bracelets like this. So anyway, that is my kind of treat yourself item that I had been meaning to get, you know, a Cartier bracelet, you know, since the beginning of last year. So I am really happy to have added one. Let me know what you think. And I think it looks pretty nice with my Van Cleef bracelet, even though that one's rose gold, but it's not that big of a difference. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna keep this short, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's really pretty, and I'm hoping that it'll be comfortable for me to wear, and that, you know, maybe I'll be able to add the full love bracelet and it won't bother me too much. Also, let me know down below if you have the full love bracelet and you wear it all the time. Did it bother you at first? Did you find it annoying? I'm curious about that too, because I know a lot of people have that bracelet, so I'm assuming it's not that bothersome to most people. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. Oh, and by the way, this is obviously the regular sized Justin Clou. There is the smaller one. I didn't try that one on because I liked the regular size one better. But anyway, that is it. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.